hopefully we've everything in place and it's now time to graph the data. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import a package. Well, I'm going to import from a package known as matplotlib. Be very careful, a common mistake there would be put in mat. It's matplotlib. So matplot library. From that package we want to access an interactive plotting package known as pyplot, and instead of referring to it as that all the time, we're going to refer to it as PLT, short for pyplot, PLT. So this will allow us, you'll see in a moment how we can do this. So referring to this each time, PLT, inside of here now there's loads of properties and methods. So one such property or method is the plot, the actual plot here. So what do you want to plot? We want to plot times against distances. So this is a bit like X and Y, if you like. Careful of any missing letters of that. We want to give the plot a title. So the title we want to give it are distance time graph. Next thing we want to do is we want to give our x-axis a label, and to give our x-axis a label I'm going to put time. So times came first, that's going to be on our x-axis, time in seconds. And we also want to give our y-axis a label, so we use the y-label function method, and that's going to be distances in meters. And last but not least, we've everything set up. We want to show our plot. So again, each time from the matplotlib library, we want to access a specific plotting package known as pyplot. Instead of referencing this all the time, we're going to call that in short PLT, and from in there we're going to access the plot function, we're going to access our plot method, the title method, and different things that we can do to change our properties on our graph. So if we now run this, let's just take a second to come up, and we can see there that we get a nice little graph. Make it blow it up full screen there, and after 2.5 seconds we traveled a distance of roughly 1 meter. After 5 seconds we traveled a distance of, I don't know, 2.1 meters, 7.5, and so on and so forth, and up as far as 20 seconds we traveled our 10 meters. So there's the overall project kind of done. Of course you've got to make some inferences on that data and give out on whether it matches your hypothesis and that.